began as a DIY project to give away as Christmas gifts, but being the little entrepreneur that I am, I decided to turn it into a business. And in 2013, I started Set Free Design, a small jewelry and decor design that focuses on using things found in nature and turn it into wearable art. So I began by selling at a local farmer's market, and then in 2015, I entered my first store, our local co-op. And after I was featured in the Cooperator magazine, I was contacted by another local gift shop to see if I wanted to sell some products there. And from there, I went on to sell in 2 other stores. I also ventured into the online marketplace and I set up shop on Etsy. If you're not familiar with Etsy, it is an online platform that allows you to start a shop and list your items that you have for sale and sell them worldwide. By the way, you can find my shop link down below. But after getting married, I definitely scaled back on the business, but I still sell into local stores, and then of course I still have my Etsy shop. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my designs with you guys. I'm going to be making some jewelry using things like feathers, horsehair, pine cones, and stuff like that. So that's enough chit chat. Let's get started. These are my 2 horses, Sage and Squaw. And I'm going to be using a small lock of Sage's tail hair and turn it into a beautiful piece of wearable art. Horsehair jewelry has been one of my most popular sellers as it is one-of-a-kind, unique jewelry. I have even done custom pieces for people using their own horse's hair. It's a wonderful keepsake, and that's what inspired me to begin making it. After my very first pony passed away, I wanted to make a keepsake bracelet from her hair. Since then, I have expanded and made earrings and necklaces as well. Pine cones are amazing little things that are absolutely beautiful, and yet they have a really big job to do. And I have always loved pine cones. They are super cool, but I really wanted to turn these into wearable art. And so I figured out a way to use these small little hemlock pine cones and turn them into earrings. And these have been one of my most popular sellers on Etsy. As a little girl, one of my fondest memories of my grandfather is when he took me fishing. Even though we may have not always caught any fish, I thoroughly enjoyed every moment. After my grandfather passed away a few years ago, I was left with some of his fishing gear, and as I rummaged through it, I found an unopened bag of fishing hooks. And as I looked them over, I discovered that they made a heart shape. And so I designed this necklace in memory of my loving grandfather. growing up on a farm, we always had some chickens, and with chickens comes feathers. And the thing that inspired me to start making jewelry was I was trying to come up with ways to use the feathers that we had. And I began making some feather earrings to give away as Christmas presents. Since then, I have come up with many other ways to use feathers, as they are very versatile in their uses.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you are not already a subscriber to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in a later video.